Hey guys, welcome back to NextGen Blogger, and in this video I will show you how to open an image, audio or video file for editing in VSDC Video Editor. So if you're someone who is absolutely new to the editor and don't know how to import an image, audio or video file for editing in the editor, just keep watching the video. Now to import an image, audio or video file, you need to click on the Add Object option which is present at the top left hand side of the editor. The moment you click on that, it's actually a drop down menu, and below you can find three options titled image, audio and video. So if you want to import an image, just select that, and you will need to select the image which you want to import in the editor. So I have my image right here titled dog. So let me just quickly select that and click on open. You can see this object position settings dialog box. This is nothing but basically it is asking you where do you want to place your image in the editor, as well as what should be the duration of your image. So right now the duration is 10 seconds and the position is 24.300 milliseconds. So I'm fine with that, I have no issues. So let me just quickly click on OK, and as you can see my image has been imported in the editor. As I said before, it's placed on the timeline and with beginning at 24.300 milliseconds. That's why you see this in the middle of the editor. So let me just grab this thing and bring it at the start. So now it starts from 0.00. It starts from the beginning. So if I view this, as you can see, duration of my video is 10 seconds, and the image is simply there in the editor. So this is how you import an image in the editor. Now let me show you how to import a video in the editor. So to import a video, again go to Add Object, and you can see this video option right here. Simply select that, and you will be again asked to select the video which you want to import in the editor. So again I have my video ready right here titled cars. So let me just quickly select that and click on open. It's the same object position settings, what should be the setting of your video in the editor, or what should be the position of your video in the timeline, as well as what should be its duration. So the duration is preset because my video's length is 14 seconds 200 milliseconds, and the position is 24 seconds 300 milliseconds. So again let me just quickly click OK, and as you can see my video is also imported in the editor. So now this is a continuation from my image. So if I view my entire video, as you can see it is of 24 seconds. The first 10 seconds I have the image of the dog, and from 11 to 24, that is during that time I have my video. As you can see, this is my video. So first we saw how to import an image, then we saw how to import a video. Now let's see how you can import an audio in the editor. So it's the same concept. Just click on Add Object and select audio. Select the audio which you want to import in the editor. So I have my Creative Commons musics right here. So let me just quickly select that. So here is my Creative Commons music. So let me just quickly grab one of the audio tracks and import it. Let me just quickly. What I've done is I have placed the audio track from the start. So I did not place it after my video, rather I placed it from the start of the video. So now if I play my video, As you can see, my video, first my image and then the video, my audio was playing simultaneously with my image and video. So you can do this thing using the editor, and I had basically placed my audio from the start. So if I grab it, hold of it again and place it after the video, and now if I run the video, there is no audio. The audio will start only after my video ends. So if I just click on, so if this video will end at 24 seconds. So as you can see, these are some of the things you can do in the editor, but the main the problem, or what I was addressing in this video, is how to import an image, audio and video. So you can do that using the add object option right here in the top left hand side. Another thing you can do, if you don't want to click on add object and then click on image, audio or video, you have these options readily available right here on the side. So you can see this add image, add sound, add video option right here in the toolbar next to the editor. So this is more comfortable rather than just clicking on add object and selecting image, audio or video. It's the same thing. If you click on add image, again you will be prompted to select the image to upload it in the editor. So that's it guys. This is how you can open an image, audio or video file for editing in the VSDC video editor. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.